Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to create a common component for loading and error state. So let's get started. So first of all, I will create a new file in my components folder and I will call it screen states.tsx. And first I will create a component for loading. So I will call it export const loading state and then arrow function. So first I will create a view inside here. So I will return first and then I will create a view. View I will import from React Native. Next I will provide style to this view and I will call it styles.center. Now under here I will create my styles. So style sheet from React Native. So I will quickly copy paste it and then I will say create, and inside here I will create center. So for center I will provide some properties. So first is flex 1, align items center, justify content center, then gap is 8, and then last background color, and background color is 0b1220 and hash. Save it. Now inside here I will use ActivityIndicator from React Native, and I will give it a size large. Save it. Next I will create a text to show loading weather and triple dots. I will import text from React Native. Save it. Now I will provide style, and style would be styles.muted, and inside my styles I will create muted object and I will give it a color, and color would be hash 9AA4B2. Save. With this my loading state is done, and inside my index file I will replace my loading text with loading state. I imported it. Save it. You can see the loading state by commenting out this condition, and you can see the loading view over here. Let's uncomment it. Save it. Now next I will create error state. So I will go back to my screen states and I will create new component and I will call it export const error state and then arrow function. So for here I will return a view first and I will give it a style center as we did for loading state. Inside here first I will add an icon, and for that I will use MaterialCommunityIcon from Expo Vector Icons. First property I will provide name, which is alert circle outline. Next I will provide size, which is 48. Last I will provide color, which is white, so hash triple F. Save it. Next I will add a text, so text, and inside here I will give error message. This error message I will get from my props. I will give it a type string. This is an optional parameter, so I will add question mark. Save it. For default value, I will add something went wrong. Save. Next I will add style and I will call it styles.error, and inside my styles I will create a new error object and I will give it a property color, and that would be hash double F 6B 6B. Next I will give font size, which is 16. Last I will give margin top, which is 4. Save. And with this my error state is done. So I will go to my index.tsx file and I will replace this with error state, which I imported from screen state. Close it. Next I will add error message, and error message is either error or undefined. Save. Now in order to see this error message, I will go to my use weather hook and I will mess up the API URL, and you can see the error over here. Let's correct the API back, and now we can see the view again. And with this our video is complete and our playlist is also complete. Thank you for watching.